You might be wondering if we have the expertise to build an exceptional HubSpot website tailored to your needs. The answer is a resounding yes. In this walkthrough, we are excited to showcase our portfolio of diverse websites we have crafted and highlight some exciting projects in the works. You may be curious about the range of work we can handle. At CTA9, we pride ourselves on delivering a variety of bespoke digital experiences. Take, for example, our latest project in the AI industry for the client Letterhead.ai. We built their solution from the ground up, ensuring a fast, responsive, and easily updatable website without relying on bulky themes or third-party code. Another artificial intelligence-based website we designed and built is Arcos.ai site, which offers the modern age AI-based services to businesses. Our portfolio also includes clients like Abundance 360, known for their annual tech conference. Each project we undertake is tailored to our client's specific branding and vision, resulting in unique and personalized web experiences. Another noteworthy project is the personal website for Peter H. Diamandis, who is an American marketer, engineer, physician, and entrepreneur of Greek-American ethnicity. He is best known for being founder and chairman of the X Prize Foundation, co-founder and executive chairman of Singularity University. In the IT services industry, we have developed platforms like WeberTC.com featuring heavy video content without compromising on load speed. Our commitment to performance is evident across all projects, with sites loading quickly and scoring high on key web metrics, ensuring a smooth user experience. Another website we designed and developed in the IT management and cybersecurity industry is inflectionpoint.uk, which is a UK-based business. In the edtech industry, we recently did this 3D animation heavy website for breakoutlearning.com. This website even has a couple of custom modules to showcase JSON data from clients' custom portal to their HubSpot website. We also got the chance to work in the blockchain world when we got to work with the talented design team at coincover.com and help their vision of a unique website come live on HubSpot with our custom HubSpot development skills. Do check out their website, it's one of the best we have seen out there. Here is one of our recent migration work from the WordPress platform to HubSpot, riteofpassage.com. They needed to keep their existing design and structure, and we ensured the same with a custom HubSpot theme specifically developed for their unique design. Apart from these, we have built hundreds of websites over the last 3 to 4 years in industries like insurance, solar, fintech, construction, etc. We are a team of passionate developers, marketers, and CRM professionals clubbed together under one roof, offering solutions for HubSpot platform only. Our primary USP, which makes us apart from competitors, is that we never use marketplace purchased or third-party themes. Rather, we develop custom HubSpot themes every single time, ensuring the client receives quality code matching their unique needs. This also helps their website stay fast and super responsive. We take pride in staying updated with relevant HubSpot skill sets and offering these expertise to our clients, which has helped us receive nothing but all 5-star reviews on various review platforms. Our journey of innovation is ongoing, and with each project we push the boundaries further. Our own site CTA9.com, built on HubSpot, reflects our team's expertise and dedication, and yes, it does load super fast. We invite you to explore our work, recognized as a HubSpot Gold Solutions partner, and see the quality we bring to every project. For any inquiries or to schedule a free demo, don't hesitate to reach out. Apart from the complete website migration and development, we also develop custom landing pages, email templates, code templates, and HubSpot onboarding. As per your availability, book a call with our team member and discuss the project of your dream in detail. You won't be charged for this consultation call. Scan the QR code or find the link in the description and pinned comment in order to schedule your first HubSpot consultation call now. Talk soon.